see there are these beautiful beaches, and I'm particularly excited about visiting the entire property and going and visiting the beaches, and I'm going to keep you guys posted, so keep on watching. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Benika in case you're new here. So a lot of you guys asked me where I am and what is this place, where are you? So here's the answer to all your questions. I am at this resort called Fern Samali Resort in Dapoli. Yes, so you heard that right. This place is called Dapoli and superbly green, especially in this monsoon season. They are following all the COVID guidelines and they are taking a lot of precautions when it comes to masks, and when they clean the room they are wearing the PPE kits. So it's quite safe for us. We are here and yes, I am completely okay and so are my friends. So let's get on with the video. I'm going to take you guys through the entire resort, show you all their beautiful rooms, and they also did something really special for me which I'm going to show you guys. Let's get on with the video and watch till the end to get the entire look of this resort. To go to the rooms. Let's go and check out the property first and then I'm going to show you guys the rooms. I just love the fact that this place is so clean. It's the perfect way to rejuvenate your system after the long COVID lockdown. The restaurant here, this is called the Zillion Restaurant and they make the best food and you guys will love the food here. The breakfast section. Today there is banana milkshake. Yesterday was my favorite strawberry milkshake, so that was amazing. And they have quite a decent spread. So yeah, there is poha, puri, aloo bhaji, my favorite. Yep. And then there is sabudana vada, again my favorite. Idli, sambar, and that's that. They also have like a live counter, and this is their restaurant. आज live counter पे कुछ है क्या? Alright, yes, thank you. See how their staff is like really nicely dressed and equipped. So yes, let's have some breakfast. One of the staying quarters where our room is like on the top left corner. Right here, this is another quarters where the rooms are located. Let's go check out the children's play area, the yoga room, the spa and the pool. Yoga room. I love how huge this is. They have kept it shut because of COVID, of course, and care is a lot lesser. Extremely good for like your evening coffees, especially like winters. So these are the magnolia cottages. I'm going to take you guys inside. Let's go check out the room. So this is the Magnolia Cottage. This is the sort of a valley view. And this road from here goes to their farmhouse. So that also we're going to check out really soon. Alright, so guys, this is the Asta room. Let's check it out. This is kind of spacious. I like this room. Ooh, check out the view. There's this thing about their rooms that they are doing which is extremely good. So they are sanitizing their rooms. Say if you are booking your stay for the 22nd, they're sanitizing your room on the 20th, and 21st is non-touch, like at least for 24 hours before and after you occupy the room. The rooms are not given to anybody. So that's one thing that I really liked about them, that they are caring so much about the COVID and the sanitization process. Anyways, let's move on and check out the other. Guys, remember I showed you guys this section of the rooms. So this is the Million Cottage and we are going to go and I really am excited to see about this room is their bathroom. It is an open to sky bathroom. So let's go check it out and see actually what it is. So guys, this is their open sky bathroom. And this is the bathroom. I love how big this is, and the best part is yet to come, that is their balcony. Just see, waking up to this view is going to be great, isn't it? Just take a look. It's so beautiful and it's so silent. Love how pretty this room is. We are going to go and check out the other rooms. That's me. Hi. Alright, let's go and check out the Saffron Suite. Guys, this is the beautiful Saffron Suite and I'm going to just take you guys around. This is an extra washroom that they have provided. This is like a small pantry. And let's go ahead and check out the rest of the room. Is the huge living room that the suite comes with. And the best part is yet to come. This is the view. And wow, what it would be to wake up to this. Let's go ahead and check out the beautiful room. This is what the room looks like. I just love how beautiful and huge this room is. This resort is located at a height on a hilltop, and that's why you can witness this amazing beautiful view from this particular resort. So let's go check out the bathroom now. This room is extremely huge and I love how well it's done, and I love beautiful and big bathrooms. It also comes with a bathtub. Yeah. So let's get on with our day. So we started our day with a visit to their farm, and the farm is like pretty huge, and before COVID they used to organize a lot of activities for the kids, for the parents, activities such as feeding the goats and bullock cart rides, which took you from point A to point B to explore the farm furthermore. We enjoyed a lot over here, and let's get back to the hotel because there is a surprise waiting for Karan right back there. So yay, let's go. Hey guys, so today is the 22nd of September and it's Karan's birthday today, and I have spoken to the hotels and they have arranged a beautiful room decor for him, and also a cake just by charging like a little extra for the decor etc, because they don't have an in-house bakery, which is completely okay, but they still managed to get me a very nice cake. I'm going to take you guys. So after the small birthday celebration, we ordered our food. Half. So this is half for dinner. This is salad. And this is the veg tempura. इसमें क्या है? Starting off the new day with a small tour to the amphitheater. The amphitheater is called the Giuslina. It has rained a little today, so the entire atmosphere is super amazing. And this amphitheater is a place where they organize folk dances for entertainment before COVID, of course. And also they are open to weddings and bookings related to weddings and functions, so you guys can like get in touch with the manager and see what they can offer you. This is a place where you can also do your sangeet or your mehndi functions, which I think it's great. Let's move on. Alright guys, so this is the Zion building. It has the spa and it has the swimming pool, library and the gym. Let's go check it. This is the spa room, the couple spa room, and the best part of this place is they have like this jacuzzi and it's so cool. Let's go check out the pool and the gym, which is outside this building. This is the pool area, but the pool is not functioning because of COVID. Oh my god, I thought that was a real crocodile for a second.
Oh my god, I thought that was a real crocodile.
Haha, joke, it wasn't. It was just a statue. They have animal statues all over the property, so I just got freaked out for a bit. So this is the tennis court. Now let's go on and move to the other building where there is the sports room or the game room, you can call it. And yep, so since this is a forest area, we've seen a snake. We have had multiple encounters with toads, and This is the game room, and I think there is one more area where there is a snooker table, so let's check that out. They have like total 3 game areas. I'm just showing you all 2, and then there is the children's play area where during the non-COVID times they had like a lot of activities for the kids, which is a great thing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy your stay here, and it's time for me to say goodbye to this beautiful view, this beautiful forest, and this amazing weather. So guys, this is me signing off from Dapoli. I'm going to see you guys here in my next video. Until then, like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.